Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing well. This is now week 15 of our distance learning. So, this week you're going to be watching a YouTube video on graphing transformations of sine and cosine. You will be introduced to cosine, but you're actually not graphing cosine yet. This week you're graphing sine. So, you have two IXLs, IXL Precalc N4 with a SMART score goal of 80 and IXL Precalc N5 with a SMART score goal of 70. So I just need to show you guys really quick how the IXL is going to work. So I know you haven't looked at the video yet, but I just need to show you how IXL is going to require you to graph. So for N5, you are going to first, you have to place the graph. So you have to pick one of these is sine and one of these is cosine. Hopefully you remember which one the sine graph is. So this is our sine graph. And anytime you guys are going to move this, you're going to pick it up from the middle point. So I know that this is a transformation that moves it up to. So I'm going to move it from the middle up to. And then I would submit. Let's say I had a flip. Let's say I had negative sine of x. Then I would pick up a point and I would flip it. So that would be negative sine of x. Let's say that I made a mistake and I don't know what happened and I just want the regular graph, then I just click it again. I just click this graph again. Let's say there was a 2 in the front and I want to make my graph taller, then I would pick this point up and make it taller. Let's say my graph shrunk. So there was a period change and I need to shrink it to pi. Then I pick this point up and I just scoot it over until I see a full graph by pi. So you're going to see the wave, but just focus on one of the periods like when you're looking at it, and that should help you. All right, good luck guys, and I'll see you on our Zoom on Wednesday.